Drones were never a part of the enterprise infrastructure, but docks will be. Deploying automated dock drone operations is like solving a massive puzzle with a zillion pieces to fit together. It requires bringing together drones, docks, parachutes, payloads, weather stations, sense and avoid, not to mention the software pieces for airspace, data collection, processing, and analytics. Whew, sounds like a lot, right? But what if we told you there's one platform that glues all these pieces together? Well, say hello to FlytBase, an enterprise drone autonomy software platform that provides the infrastructure to build and deploy automated drone applications, along with data security, integrations, flight safety, and BVLOS, all while being hardware agnostic. Enhance your security with FlytBase Shield. FlytBase sandboxes your account, keeping your data right where you want it to be. Not just that, FlytBase offers flexible deployment options, be it on-premise or air-gapped, and enterprise-grade compliance required for large-scale deployments. Next, supercharge your integrations with Flames. Connect third-party apps or devices of your choice for any enterprise use case in a single click. Flinks opens up a whole new world for system integrators. Next, FlytBase is designed with a safety-first mindset. Autonomous remote operations require far higher safety standards and risk mitigation compared to human-in-the-loop operations, which is why FlytBase has been designed from the ground up with safety at its core. BVLOS readiness? Check. One-to-many operations? Check. Advanced fail-safes? Also check. FlytBase covers it all. And yes, with FlytBase's reliable and scalable infrastructure and enterprise-grade customer support, start with a single site and expand to hundreds effortlessly. This is why FlytBase is trusted by hundreds of system integrators and enterprises with production deployments all over the world. Like we said, drones were never a part of the enterprise infrastructure, but yes, docks will be. So what solution are you building with FlytBase today?